Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we will show how to install Windows XP use VirtualBox.
The materials: first, laptop or PC; second, software VirtualBox; and third, file ISO Windows XP.
First, open your VirtualBox. Click New. Fill the name, type, and version. Next, we will set the memory RAM. Preferably, the memory size as suggested. After set memory RAM, just click Enter and Enter. After that, we will make hard disk. We will set the file location and hard disk size. We can set how much as needed. User VirtualBox already made. And open ISO Windows XP and then click Start. We already entered the boot menu. This part, just click Enter. Next, just format the partition using the NTFS file system on the top one.
How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother.
Wait until finish.
Homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take a ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now wish to stop. Saying wake up, you need to make money. Yeah, we used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face, saying wake up, you need to make money. Yeah, wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now wish to stop. Wish we could turn back time. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face.
After you complete the setup, you will face regional and language option. Just click Next. Next, we will ask to fill name and organization. You will fill computer name and password. For date and time setting, you will choose your time zone. And then click Next. Wait until finish. Then you will enter the installing network. If installing network already built, you will fill your computer domain and then click next. Wait until installation is complete.
Girl, 어느새 이 모든 게 장난이 아닌 girl. 사랑이는 빨간 불씨 불어라 바람 더 커져가는 불길 이게 약인지 독인지 우리 엄마도 몰라 내 맘 도둑인데 왜 경찰도 몰라 불붙은 내 심장이 더 부어라 너는 기름 Kissing while I diss him I don't know but I miss him 중독을 넘어서 네 사랑은 crack 내 심장의 색깔은 black 멈출 수 없는 이 떨림은 on and on and on 내 전부를 너란 불길 속으로 던지고 싶어 Look at me now 이렇게 넌 나를 때우고 있잖아 들 수 없어 우리 사랑은 불장난 My love is on fire Now burn baby burn 불장난 My love is on fire So don't play with me boy 불장난 더 잡을 수가 없는 걸
And then click next.
너무나 빨리 퍼져가는 이 불길 이런 날 멈추지 마
And then click next.
오늘 밤을 태워버리게
Enter the name of your computer
And then click next.
and click Done. Finally, Windows has been installed.
Okay, that's the procedure for installing Windows XP on VirtualBox. Thanks for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.